Hey, I'm Steve, and today we're going to look at the new YakAttack RotoGrip Phone Holder Pro. The Hobie Lynx has this already molded in, pre-installed gear track. I've got a rod holder right here. This is my right side on the kayak, and that's where I prefer to have my phone. It's the exact opposite over there. It also has molded in gear track. So we're going to install this new YakAttack phone holder right here. Now, the 8 of you that watch my videos on a regular basis know that I am not a fan of unboxings or unwrappings in any shape, form, or fashion. I am going to make an exception today because I don't know what all's inside here. This is a RotoGrip phone holder. I'll show you that as part of the video. Let's see what else we come with. We obviously get our instructions. Now, I've always been a fan of YakAttack gear. I think they are a great company. I think they make really good stuff for kayak fishermen. So I'm hoping today I'm going to be happy with this product, and I'm pretty sure I will. I've seen some videos of it, and as soon as I saw it, I went and picked it up. This is a brand new product. They just released it about 2 weeks ago or so. So it's a hot item right off the shelf, just introduced. So the actual phone holder itself comes in 2 parts. Very basic, very easy. And here's something to remember that I think is very important. Made in the USA. Okay, that's important to me. I buy that. And I buy items made in the USA whenever possible. So the first thing that we got to do is we need to mount this base to the gear track. So right here, you just squeeze, pull that apart, boom, the base falls out, and you install that in the gear track. Once you get that into the gear track, just give it a little tighten there, just hand tighten it. It's not going anywhere at this point. It's in there for good. Now you add your base. You're going to pop that back to close it. And now it is in there. It's not going anywhere. The cool thing that I like about the YakAttack stuff, especially a holder like that, if you squeeze this, you can lift it up and then you can adjust it easily, let it go, and it's locked in any position that you wanted to, and it's all done super easy. When you're on the water, of course, you know you need things to be easy and simple. All right, this next part is really simple. Just mount the actual phone holder. And what I like here is obviously you can articulate this to any position you want. So that is awesome. For right now, I'm just going to kind of turn it towards the camera, tighten it up, and now the install is over. Your phone is actually going to mount between these 2 roller wheels. The actual phone holder, these arms do not move at all. So what you're doing is you're going to just slide it in, and these rollers are going to hold your phone in place. Here's my older iPhone. I really don't use this very much anymore, and it is a larger iPhone than my current iPhone. So all you do is just drop it in and use that roller. Now, that thing is clamped. It is clamped in there very good. It is going to be hard. You're going to have to actually try to take it out, but all you have to do is just twist your phone, and it'll use that roller in, not going anywhere, out. Okay, that's impressive to me. All right, now I want to show you some absolute geniusry. The people at YakAttack, man, their engineers are off the chart. All right, let's say that, all right, Steve, that's not going to fit my phone or whatever I'm using. Watch this. Here's what they have done. If you pull the ball out, as you can see, there's a little gap, pull it and turn it, you can adjust the width of that phone holder. Booyah! Holy moly. That is another reason to own this. That's crazy. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. I love that. But wait, we're not done yet. Are you kidding me? Don't be a loser and click away yet. Be a winner. Be a winner in life and watch this video. All right, they are including a tether strap for your phone with this entire system. Now these are pretty easy. Let's see if I can work to get it on. Oh, by the way, check that out. How you like the Bigfoot there and the spaceship and the Loch Ness Monster? Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. All right, so you strap this around your phone on the corners like that. There it is. You're all strapped around. They give you a little carabiner and a little stretchy stretch. And now, if you're fishing and drinking and drop your phone in the water, no problem. You're not going to lose it. But Adventure Steve, where am I going to attach that tether to my phone holder? Calm down. Jeez, calm down, Junior. Look at there. Look at there, right there, that little hole. They provide a place to attach the carabiner. Yeah, they thought of everything. All right, I'm really liking everything about this. I am really impressed with this new YakAttack phone holder. It is in there secure. I'm not going to worry about losing my phone. It's got the long, stretchy tether, probably close to 4 foot long. It's going to be perfect for my needs, and I think you'll like it too. So if you are considering this new YakAttack phone holder, I hope you found this video helpful.